Hello students, I welcome you all in your English classroom. In my previous video, I recited and explained the poem Daffodils written by William Wordsworth. And in this video, I am going to explain the question answers. But before I start discussing the question answers, let me once again tell you few words about the poem. In this poem, the poet Wordsworth described a moment when he was alone and wandering like a cloud. He then saw a host of golden daffodils beneath some trees beside a lake. Daffodils were shining like stars. They were fluttering and tossing their heads in breeze as if they were happily dancing. The poet felt a change in his mood. He felt happy in the company of the daffodils. This memory of the daffodils remained with the poet forever. Later on, when he felt pensive or lonely, he used to recall the daffodils, and the memory of the daffodils used to make him feel happy and cheerful. So this is about the poem. Now I am going to discuss the question answers. The first question is, where does the speaker find the daffodils? While wandering like a cloud, the speaker found the daffodils under some trees beside a lake. Next question is, what according to the speaker do the daffodils appear to be doing? According to the speaker, the daffodils were fluttering as if they were dancing in the breeze, tossing their heads happily. What does the speaker compare the daffodils to? The speaker compared the daffodils to the shining stars that continuously twinkle at night in the Milky Way. Fourth question, briefly explain the feelings of the speaker on seeing the daffodils. At the beginning, when the speaker was wandering lonely, he might not be feeling happy. But a sense of happiness and joy was brought to him when he looked at the daffodils. Again, when he felt lonely and pensive at home, the memory of the daffodils gave him immense pleasure. He called the daffodils as the bliss of solitude. Now, be set means here explain these lines with reference to the context. Few lines are quoted and questions are based on these lines. Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretched in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. Where do the stars shine? The stars shine in the Milky Way. What does they stand for? Here they refers to the daffodils. How has the speaker described their dance? The speaker described the daffodils as fluttering and tossing their heads in the breeze, as if they were dancing happily. Second set of lines are, for oft when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. How has the speaker described his mood in these lines? The speaker was lost in deep thought. He described his mood as serious. What effect do the daffodils have on the speaker? The speaker refers to the daffodils as bliss of solitude. Whenever the speaker thinks of the daffodils, they bring immense pleasure to him. How does the speaker feel in the end? The memory of the daffodils made the speaker feel happy and cheerful. His heart was filled with joy and felt like dancing with the daffodils. These are the question answers. Now home assignment for you all, and this home assignment you will be writing in your ELR copy, and this is from the think and answer part. And the question is, on seeing the daffodils, the speaker forgets his loneliness and enjoys a moment of bliss. Why? Kindly answer this question, and word limit for this answer will be 50 to 60 words. Thank you, students.